Where do I find hot selling products? Every X needs a Y. So you want to remember that equation. You don't need any fancy software to search for products, how to search for hot selling products, and all you need is Facebook. So you're going to go over to Facebook, log in, and in this Facebook search bar, right, you're going to want to type in the niche that you select and start searching on Facebook for different videos and different posts that have a ton of likes and comments and shares, engagement and video views. So for example, if we picked, let's say, the essential oil niche. So you would type in essential oil products, hit enter, and then go to pages, right? And here's all the essential oil pages. So if you just pick one of these, here's Essential Oil Me by Jen, Roma Head Institute School of Essential Oil Studies, Vitality Extract Essential Oil. So let's click on that, right? And then what I like to do is go down and let's look at videos and see what videos are showing up on this page that they posted that had the most views. So here we go. Someone that loves essential oils, right? That's your niche. People that love essential oils fits the equation. Every X needs a Y. So every person that loves essential oils, what are they going to like? Well, look, here's an essential oil diffuser bracelet with 33,000 views. So if you like essential oils, looks like you're going to like an essential oil diffuser bracelet, and you like to diffuse essential oils in the air and aromatherapy and smell those essential oils. So what else? Every X needs a Y. Every essential oil user needs, right? They use diffusers all the time because they like to put the essential oil in the diffuser and diffuse the essential oil in the air, so it makes everywhere smell better, and they actually breathe the essential oil in their lungs, and it has health benefits. So look at this new in-car diffuser essential oil. I'll watch the video. Notice just the hands, like me and Joe and Anthony always talk about, giving that first person perspective so they actually feel like this is them looking at the product. It's in their hands. This is how they would use it. And it's a short video, 2 minutes or less. Again, they're just the hands showing how to use the product. Dump your essential oil right in there with a little water. And I bet you I know what she's going to do next. Start walking out to the car. There we go. Now she's going to show it being used in the car, diffusing the essential oil. Every X needs a Y. Everyone that loves essential oils needs to diffuse the essential oil all around them, in the house, in the car. And there we go. Look at 338,000 views on this product. So is that a hot product? Yes, it's a hot product. Does it fit our equation? Every X needs a Y? Yes, it fits our equation. So there's an example how I would go on Facebook and start finding a hot product. So let's look at some more products. Since we're in the more woo-woo essential oil niche, what if we go yoga, Zen products? Hit enter. Right, and you'll see different products come up. Look at Zen-like products. So here's a whole page on Zen-like products. Now what I would do, again, let's go over to the photos this time and start looking through all of the photos. So look at all of these Zen-type products, these spiritual products, meditation. This is the yoga meditation niche that we're looking at, right? And this niche loves, look at Buddha paintings, 288 likes. So that doesn't have, I'm looking for, I want to look at products and posts that have, thousands of likes and a ton of comments and shares. But look at what do people that love meditating love? Every X needs a Y. So every person that loves meditating, what do they love doing? They love going outside, sitting on the grass, connecting with that Zen energy and balancing themselves and grounding themselves into the earth, right? So as we start looking through Zen-like products, you'll notice a ton of these products, blankets, right? Blankets to go outside and sit on and ground yourself into the grass. Here's a chakra bracelet, right? Here's more blankets and pillowcases, and here's some more chakra bracelets. And if we look, let's see, if you click on, let's keep on going, let's find some with a ton of likes. Ooh, here's 1,200 likes. Here's some more blankets to sit outside on the grass and grounding blankets to ground yourself. So here's a grounding free shipping mandala lotus blanket, right? Look at how many likes this has. Almost 7,000 likes for this blanket. Does it meet the equation? Every X needs a Y. Every, spiritual person that loves meditation, that loves yoga, what do they always need? They need a blanket to sit on and go to the beach with and go to the park with and meditate and be outside, one with nature. So that fits the equation. Look at it's a hot product. Almost 7,000 likes, 276 shares. Let's look at some other products. Oh, look at this one, another blanket, right? And this one has 16,000 likes and 1,200 shares. And again, it fits that equation. Every X needs a Y. Another product. So here, to take one step further, look at this, 200,000 likes on, and this is a whole bedspread with, what is this? Head over, grab your bohemian style floral cover, right? And it has all these cool patterns on it, and it fits within the genre, within the niche on Zen-like products, spiritual products, and these are some pretty trippy patterns. So look at 200,000 likes on this blanket and these pillowcases. There's a product that I would test, and it looks like it's a converting product, and I would make an ad and target people that love meditation and spiritual pages and put this product out there and test to see if it converts. And you can tell that it's a hot product because it has 200,000 likes, 21,000 shares, and 10,000 comments. So there's another one. And here's another, look at this blanket, 57,000 likes, almost 9,000 shares, and 2,600 comments. And notice the copy. The copy is very clean and simple, right? For products, you don't need long, drawn-out copy. The image is so impulsive, right? And it fits the equation. Every X needs a Y. You're putting this in front of people that love meditation, that love, spiritual, that love Zen products, and you're just saying, new mandala sofa cover. Grab yours now. They're 60% off with free shipping worldwide. And then a link to go purchase, right? And this has 57,000 likes, 2,600 comments, and almost 9,000 shares. So this is a hot product. So let's do one more, right? So we're looking for a product, or first we need to look for a niche, right? So let's change gears here. We did the essential oil niche. We did the yoga and meditation and niche. Now let's switch gears. What about if we did police officer product? So if you're going to do a police officer product, right? And we tell this to our proteges all the time. If you're going to, it looks like there's a lot of jewelry type product. Let's see here. Police Officers United, right? And go over to photos. So we have some earrings, a ring, some more rings, bracelets. So it looks like there's a lot of jewelry for this niche. So if you're going to do jewelry, right, and you want to sell jewelry, you want to niche down like this, right? And we teach all of our proteges in Fame to do this. You want to niche down. Joe and I tested all the top selling products on the major drop shipping websites, on DHgate and AliExpress, and we tested all the top selling jewelry products. And the only way we are able to get jewelry to convert, because remember, it's a cold audience. You just can't put jewelry up on Facebook and put different rings and necklaces in front of women and expect that to convert cold traffic. It doesn't. Joe and I tested all of the top selling products on AliExpress and on Amazon and on DHgate. We ran Facebook ads to the most ordered products on those websites, and you can't get them to convert. The only way to get, and here's the trick I'm going to tell you right here. The only way to get jewelry products to convert is you have to niche down. So you have to sell, I firefighter necklace, or I love firefighting necklace too, and you target firefighters. So you run ads on Facebook to people that like firefighting pages and that are firefighters. And this is a great case in point right here, police officers. So if you're going to sell jewelry to police officers, you're going to want to have a theme, right? And a reason why they're going to buy a piece of jewelry, right? So you're targeting police officers, and let's see what they're doing. So they're going to want a theme to target police officers. And here's the theme, right? These titanium steel blue line rings are unbreakable and is perfect for that officer in your life, right? So now they're targeting the thin blue line, right? And the thin blue line is a saying that police officers say all the time because they're in a position of law enforcement and they're in between order. In between order and complete chaos and anarchy, and they call it the thin blue line. So let's look at some of these top selling pieces of jewelry on Police Officers United. So this is what they're doing. They're calling it the thin blue line. See, thin blue line, inspired ring. Do you support the thin blue line? So you're niching down the jewelry and you're targeting people on Facebook with your ad that like police officer pages that are police officers and the family of police officers. And do you support the thin blue line? Wear it proud. See what they're doing right here? Order one here. And it's simple copy, but they're targeting people that are police officers or family of police officers. And they're even saying tag a fellow officer, wife, or friend of yours, right? And look at this, 77,000 likes. 77,000, that's huge. Almost 12,000 shares and 2,100 comments. And this is a hot selling product, right? They picked a piece of jewelry, they had a theme, right? Which was the thin blue line, and they were targeting police officers and the family members of police officers. And that's how you can convert cold traffic to your product. And this is a hot product. Look at right here, 77,000 likes. That's amazing. Let's look at a product from Police Officers United. So same thing, thin blue line, wear it proud, order one here, tag your officer wife. So this is the 71,000 likes. We just looked at a similar one with 77,000 likes. Look at two different ads saying essentially the same thing, and it works every time, right? 71,000 likes, 77,000 likes. This one had almost 18,000 shares. This one had 12,000 shares. This ad had 3,200 comments. This ad had 2,100 comments. So the thin blue line inspired ring targeted to police officers. And it's a hot selling product, right? And then they're also, this looks like more of a male, the thin blue line inspired rings. These are male rings, but look at what they're doing too. They're also targeting females, right? Do you support the thin blue line? Question mark. So there is that thin blue line, people that support police officers, people that are police officers know what that means. It has meaning to them, right? So it's converting and warming up the traffic immediately. And then you'll love this sapphire ring. Get yours here, right? And the link, hurry, limited availability, creates a little scarcity. But look at how simple that copy is, right? And look at this ad, 174,000 likes. That is huge. 34,000 shares and almost 7,500 comments. That is amazing. So this is another hot product. So that's how you want to find hot products. If you want to do jewelry, make sure you niche down. So you're selling, thin blue line rings to police officers and the family members of police officers, or I love firefighting necklaces to firefighters. And you have to niche down jewelry in order for it to convert cold traffic, and you see that it's working right here. So those are 3 examples of how to find hot products that sell, not using any software, just going on Facebook and using the search function right here. It's that easy. It's that easy. So if this sounds exciting to you and you can see yourself doing this and you want to learn how, like so many of our other proteges that are absolutely crushing it right now, you should really enroll in Fame and work with me and Joe and Anthony and over 250 of our other proteges that are already enrolled in Fame that we're working with currently. And we have a ton of them crushing it. And this business model allows you to get your time freedom back, and you can work from anywhere in the world. Like I do, like Joe does, like Anthony does, like our protege Tim, who has made over $3 million since he enrolled in Fame, and he travels all over the world. Brian and Carlos and Jonathan and Melissa and a ton of our other proteges that are just absolutely crushing it.